Hello everyone, and welcome to this Russell 2000 Index Futures Review using SmartTools for SmartLevels. The chart is a one-point range bar chart based on tick data. These black bars here in the middle of the chart represent the overnight trading activity. All times shown are Eastern Standard Time, which is Greenwich Mean Time Zone 5. Today there was one pre-market news release and one scheduled for 10 a.m. The market bounced in the overnight trading around this position trading level here. This down move was just follow through from yesterday's half day of trading. The bounce up into the open was generated a nice setup. You can see this first setup bar of the day coming in off of this day trading level. This is at 9:31 here. This is a reasonable setup to take. The entry is below the swing low, which is above the trend line drawn off these lows, or below the trend line drawn off these lows. However, I prefer to wait for something even a little lower. This is the setup that I took. To me, this indicates that the market is proving itself more. And it makes more sense from my point of view at the beginning of the day for the market to have the energy to go further down. But you can see, because of the way the setup bar was drawn here, that the previous bar had the same timestamp. So the market was moving very quickly here. This was a very good setup to take. I took this setup, exited one contract here at the position trading level, went to break even on the second, held out for the second profit target, and I was done for the day. Now the market bounced up from here as this position trading level held as support again in the day session. The market went up higher, pulled back, it bounced again, forming this higher low here. And then this next blue bar setup is not technically validated by the SmartLevels. However, it's a good setup to take. The entry is above the swing high. Due to the price action, it's a very reasonable trade to take. You can see that it goes up to the overhead day trading level and the position trading level going into the news. And I've drawn vertical lines on the chart around the 10 a.m. Time period to show you how critical the news can be. This is 4 minutes after the news. This trade setup went to reach just the first profit target. 13 minutes after the news, the setup bar, again, both of these are validated by the position trading level here. The trade triggers, turns out to be a losing trade. And finally, 21 minutes later after the news, we get another setup bar off this position trading level, and the trade finally goes to both profit targets. So it pays to be a little cautious around these news items, and this would have clearly been the better setup to take. I didn't take any of these since I'd already traded. Well, that's all for today. So long for now.